Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you are safe and sound. In this short video tutorial, I want to show you a very simple tool, kind of an interesting little tool. If you come up with good ideas, please put them in the comments below this video. But basically this is a drawing tool that Google has created. It's supposed to be like the next evolution of Microsoft Paint, but it was made by Google. And as it says here, it's an AI experiment and it's called AutoDraw. And what it is, it's fast drawing for everyone. So I'll click Start Drawing and you'll see what it means by that. What AutoDraw does is it helps people like me that are drawing challenged to maybe draw a little better. So for example, I would like to draw a bird. Okay, so I draw there and notice up at the top, I get some suggestions. So here you can select what exactly you want to draw. Now let me try once more. And now I want to draw a house. Have a look. If you want a freehand tool, select this one. You can also insert text here. You will find different color to use and also zoom in and out option as well as undo option. When it's done and want to save the file, just click download. The download process will begin shortly. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want me to cover any other topic on this channel, just comment below. See you in next video. Bye.